Ya, ngesibingelele-ke njengamanje, ngesibingelele kuphi nakuphi, enhla nasezansi. Siyabingelela sithi molweni, ngane zakwethu. Ya, sizoqala-ke njengamanje siyafunda, singena ekilasini. Human Design System. Human Design System. We are studying Human Design System. Yeah, I think we are good to go right now. Yeah. Yeah, I think everything is well set. Yonke into inge-order yakhona. Ingendlela kumele ibe ngayo. Yeah, it's Human Design Sunday-ke namhlanje. We are studying Human Design. Siyaqhubeka-ke nohambo lwethu lwe-study se-Human Design. Last time we looked at collective circuit connection. Sabuka what we call a logic circuit. Sabuka i-logic circuit last time. Namhlanje sibuka i-circuit ehlukile ekuthiwa yini i-sensing or abstract circuit kuyona i-Human Design System. So ama-circuits njengoba ngasho ngathi ahlukene kathathu, khona awe-collective, khona awe-individual, khona awe-tribal. So sesawenza-ke awe-individual, njengamanje sikulawa e-collective. So i-collective-ke lana sisuke sikhuluma nge-theme ethi sharing, while kwi-individual sikhuluma nge-empowerment, while kwi-tribe sikhuluma ngani nge-support. So-ke lezi zinto-ke ziyaye zihambe nga-two futhi as well. Njengo-individual is having centering as well as ulokhungana. Ngikhohlwa lokho okunye. Is having centering as well as knowing. Bese kuba u-collective-ke ozoba no-logic as well as sensing. Bese kuba u-tribal ozoba no-defense as well as ubani u-ego. So-ke namhlanje-ke sibuka le section sibuka le part mawuzokhumbula last time, ngiveze kwa last time sasibuka the other parts. Mhlawumbe ngithatha ipeni la ukuze ngikwazi uku-articulate kangconywana. So liphinde libe nokhala, ukhala wakhona, ukhala wale peni leli. I would like to use this color. Yeah. So-ke last time sabuka leli side leli ngala. Sabuka leli side elingala. Leli side elingala nami ngathi ngabhala kambi. Nakuya. Yabona sabuka i-energy ehamba on this side last time angithi. So masibuka i-energy ehamba on this side-ke ehamba kanje. Sabuka leli side leli last time. So uNols izolo wangilinda. Nols kanjani manje mfethu? Izolo sibile nje live thina. Sibe live izolo. Kwamnandi kanje for about 1 hour 50 minutes. Ulive wakhona lapho futhi ukhona ku-YouTube. What do you mean wangilinda? Or you mean there was something live that I did not answer that you asked? Can you elaborate Nolzi? Ukuthi what do you mean if uthi wangilinda izolo? izolo bengi-live. So ke lokho engisakukhombise kona bengikukhombisa ukuthi esasidila nakho last time ukuthi this is a hard part. This is a very, bathi ka-human design, it's a very cold and logical manner of viewing things. So this secondary connection is dealing with illogic, it's dealing with a hard fact, it's dealing with what you call ngaze ngathi mina u-left brain lo, ngaze ngathi u-left brain. So namhlanje ke sibuka okuhlukile ke, sibuka lokhu kwangala nje ngoba ubona, sibuka lokhu okungala, sibuka lokhu okungala. Njengoba sibuka lokhu okungalana nje we are focusing. So nje ake siqale nje la, sensing circuits lapha phezulu, or abstract circuits. Shuthi lana we are talking about i-circuit that has to do with ini ukuba emotional. Ngiyabo sidila ne-circuit yokuba emotional. Oh yeah, sidila ne-circuit yokuba njani, emotional circuit. So it's based kwi-past, is more concerned about the past. So the circuit of any sensing or abstract circuit. So the people with this circuit are more warm. No, not let me say the circuit itself, the circuitry connection itself is more of a warmth and emotional. So mhlambe ake ngiqale ke ngani ngale lokhungane yokuqala. Ake ngiqale nge-channel yokuqala esitholayo lapha kuleya circuit leya. The first channel that we get down there, uzokhumbula ukuthi I told you ukuthi wonke lamalokhungana lama-circuits asuke eyapi, lama-centers, they are making their way up here. This is the center of manifestation. Yabo? This is the center of the manifestation. So all this circuit connection is making its way up to the throat. The first lokhungana, channel, sithola i-channel 4342. Nansi le channel laphana ezansi, nansi ya, yabona, nansi 4342 isuka from the root iya kwi-sacral. So khumbula ukuthi i-root, it's a center of pressure to do something. So kuthiwa yini ke igama lale center le, kuthiwa igama lale center, not igama lale center, igama lale channel le 4342 kuthiwa maturation. It's a channel of maturation. Basically what is happening here, 40, is it really 43? No man, it is, pardon me la, it's not 43. Ngazi ngibhalele no 43 la mina. It's supposed to be 53, not 43. It's supposed to be 53. Yabo? Mhlambe lo error ukuze singade siqhubeke nayo lo error leyo, singasheshe siyilungise nje kuseyimanje, because umuntu uzongena ayitshele into errong ukuthi hawu leya lokhungana leyana ibizwa ngu-43 42 kanti akunjalo. So ngcono nje vele ngiyilungise kuseyikhona manje. 53 basically, it's 53 not 43, it's 53. Yabona? So it's 5342. It's a channel of maturation. U-53 njengoba esuka lapha ezansi kwi-roots, ngilapha suka khona lapha ya kwi-roots yabo. U-53 uhlangana nobani? No-42. U-42 okwi-sacral. Le zinto zakhe i-channel ye-maturation. I-channel lena njengoba u-53 kuwu-channel of ukuqala into. Yabo, the beginning. The new beginning. Starting something, yabo. Abanye bathi u-development, yabo. Kodwa kugcineni lento oyiqalayo kumele ukuthi iye kubani? Iye laphana ku-42 njengoba ubona le kune-energy ka-42 hlangana ne-energy ka-42 kusho ukuthi into oyiqalayo kumele ukuthi uqhubeke nayo. So sithola laphana i-energy, i-pressure to start something, yet futhi wenza njani? Uqhubeka nayo into ize iyomaturisha. So ikhona-ke lento ukuthi uthole ukuthi umuntu uno-gate 53 kuphela, u-42 akanawo. Uthola ukuthi into uyakwazi ukuthi ayiqale kahle, wayifeel i-pressure to start something, but mase kumele ukuthi aqhubeke nayo, akaqhubeki nayo, uyayiqala nje angaqhubeki nayo, yabo, azizwe ephelelwa amandla ukuqhubeka nayo sometimes, yabo. So njengoba kuyi-channel kanjeyana nje, kuyi-channel ye-maturation esho ukuthi you start something, uba nane-power futhi yokuqhubeka nayo lento oyiqalile, uye nayo phambili ize iyomaturisha, yabo. Njengokuthi nje awukwazi phela ukuthi ungaqala ufike udizayine indlu, uyidizayine indlu ephepheni, uthenge i-material bese uyayakha, bese ithi isiwu-half bese uyashiya kanjalo usukhathele. So uma uno-maturation kusho ukuthi u-maturation lapha leya channel isho ukuthi uzoyiqala into uqhubeke nayo uze uyiqede izimaturishe izithele izithelo. Ngithi uyabona? So lokho-ke kudingani? Kudinga i-energy etholakala lapha kubani? Ku-gate 42. Njengoba u-gate 42 ku-gate of what? U-gate of increase. Bathi u-gate of increase, u-gate 42. Yabona? So-ke basically it's that nje ukuthi you start something, you go on with something, you finish it. Yabo? You don't leave it hanging or noma kuthiwa ubani ugrowth, gate 42. Then siphinde futhi sibuke laphaya, into elandelayo sithola u-gates, sithola u-channel njalo, hayi lo ngithi ama-gate, sithola u-channel of discovery. Nansi leya channel le esuka kwi-sacral iya kwiphi? Kwi-G center, yabona? Leya channel esuka kwi-sacral iya kwini? Kwi-G center. Nangu gate 29 la, nangu gate 46 la. So ukuhlangana kwalezi zinto lezi, i-power iya laphana kwini? Kwi-center of i-power, ngoba phela this is the center of power, iya lapha kwi-direction and identity. So 29 is the gate of saying yes, or a gate of commitment. Iyohlangana no gate 46, a gate of the love of the body, yabo. Leyanto leyana isho ukuthi when you'll be committed, leya channel nje is a channel of being committed to yourself to the extent yani yokuthi udiscover izinto. Because if we are committed, we are going to make new discoveries. It also has to do with serendipity, ukuba sendaweni e-right ngesikhathi esi-right. Because of gate 46 futhi njengoba kuyi-love of the body nje, the love of physical, the love of life, kusho kona ukuthi wena you are going to honor your body and be in the right place at the right time, yabo. Ukuba kwi-right place at the right time ke lokho it's all about ini lento ekuthiwa i-serendipity. And again futhi u-gate 29 no-gate 46 njengoba bakhe i-channel of discovery nje, uma ngabe ukuthi uzoba committed long enough entweni, i-energy yalokho, i-power yalokho iphiwa u-gate 29, uzoba committed enough, kusuke kulokho kusho ukuthi uzodiscover izinto. Umuntu o-committed wenza ama-discoveries, yabo. umuntu nje o-committed wenza kuba khona ama-discoveries aba nawo, yabo. So ngiyabingelela lapho we-Wesh, bingelela nganyakwethu ngikwamukele futhi ngalesi sikhathi, yabona. So kuba khona lawo ma-discoveries umuntu azoba nawo by being committed kuphi entweni, and also ukuba committed entweni nje, not only being committed entweni, but you also being committed to yourself to the extent yokuthi wenza ama-self discoveries, yabo. Izinto ey'thile obungazazi ngawe uzidiscover ngenxa yokuthi you were committed, ngoba khona lento yokuthi ube committed, yabo. Njengamanje ungaba committed kulento yokuthi I want to know more about myself. Let me go deeper, listen to these people, these spiritual people, ama-philosophers and all these things. So once you are committed there are so many things that you are going to discover obungazazi about life and about yourself, yabo. So it all plays out nje very, very well, yabo, lento ka-discover. Discovery requires you ukuthi ube committed. So sawubona we-Lunchbox Tea, ngiyakubingelela nganyakwethu futhi ngikwamukele ngalesi sikhathi. So-ke it's that nje, good people, ngithi yabona, it's that, it's just that. So ngibenza screenshots la for other channels. So-ke uma ngabe kuwukuthi uzoba committed, this line nje mawunalo line engiushoyo lo line lo, this is a very great line of being committed to yourself, committed to everything, to anything that is in line with who you are. The gate of saying yes. Uyacabanga mangabe uzoba committed emsebenzini wakho owenzayo ngoba uthanda, there are things that you are going to discover. Ngoba also this channel allows you to be what? Ukuthi nje wena you successful while others fail. Why? Because you are committed and you just shine. You just find yourself on top of the range. You shine more than everyone else. You can't hide yourself. Why? It's because of that energy from gate 29 moving straight up to gate 46. You say yes to things that are in line with you, things that are energizing you. Then you find yourself discovering so many things about life, discovering so many things about yourself. So you don't just say yes to anything, literally anything, because there are people who may say yes just because bafuna ukuthi babukeke njengabantu abathile, yabo. Yeah, good people, njengobesho nje ulokhungana lapha u-Lunchbox Tea, ukuthi singakhohlwa ukuthepha screen lapha yana, si appreciate the information shared by uChanges Akasha. Siyabonga kakhulu we Lunchbox Tea for also lokhungana reminding us that. Okay, ngicela ukudlulela ke kwi-channel elandelayo. This channel 1333, The Prodigal. Lo channel leyo iphi la ikhona, angithi yabona ukuthi lelo khungana is making its way up, because ngisho ngathi all the energy wants to manifest to the throat. So that channel is here. There is gate 13 there and there is gate 33 there. Ngithi yabona. So lento lena yakha i-channel of what? The channel of The Prodigal. Yabona. This channel ke linka i-G center ne-throat. I-G center okuyi center of direction, identity and self-love, ne-throat the manifestation. So already la kusho ukuthi njoba kukhona u-gate 13 and gate 33. U-gate 13 i-gate of a listener, the fellowship of men, gate of a listener, and u-gate 33 is the gate of the privacy or retreat. So lana sithola umuntu who will be a good listener. He'll be a good listener of the past experiences that has happened. A person who is a good listener of other people. Yabo, there are people who are very, very attentive when they are listening. Yabo, this channel allows a human being to be a listener. You don't just listen only to what is being said, but you also listen to the experiences and try to make the meaning. What does this mean? Why did I went through this? So you listen to what your soul is telling you again, because for every stagnation empilweni yakho, for every chaos that is there in your life, there needs to be an order. So you really need to listen to and sit down and listen and try to make a way. What is there for you? What is in here for you to learn out of this chaos that is happening in your life? Ngoba ekugcineni you need to listen. Umoya kuthiwa uyalalela. So it's all about listening to others, listening to experiences. It's all about listening. So the prodigal. So i-prodigal ke abanye ke noma ngiyengizwe kuthiwa yini indodana yolahleko, the prodigal son. So lokhuyana ke okusho indaba kuthiwa le channel pho i-prodigal. It's because kwi-Rave Mandala uGates 13 kwi-Rave Mandala uyi-wheel that wheel to i-Rave Mandala. uGates 13 ula eqaleni, and uGates 13 is the first gate kwi-Rave Mandala. And uGates 13 njengoba kuyi-first gate, it means there was the last gate, yabo, and the last gate uGates 19. Kusho ukuthi you listen, and uGates 13 ukuyikota yokuqala kuthiwa i-quarter of initiation, and before the quarter of initiation, the last quarter is the quarter of mutation. So uGates 13 is listening to what has been happening with mutation, because it is the first gate. So it is coming with the listening of the past experiences, the past mutation, the past chaos, and then Gate 13 is there to listen on what has been happening empilweni prior, yabo, because again, based on reincarnation already, isoul yakho iyazi vele ukuthi what has been happening, and isoul yakho iyazi ukuthi wena kumele wenzeni njengamanje in this present lifetime, yabo, iyazi isoul yakho ukuthi yini ekumele ngabe uyayenza. So that is why you have to listen to it, because iyazi ukuthi imaphi ama lessons that has been learned in the previous lifetime. So you need to be guided by it, yabo, okuyini okuyisoul yakho. So that is unconscious. That one is unconscious. So you'll find yourself craving for something. You'll find yourself wanting to start something or implement something or come up with an idea. And it is coming from your soul. Your soul iyazi ukuthi ifundile izifundo kwi-previous life, and now iletha ama-ideas kuwena isoul yakho ukuthi njengamanje bring this to people. This is the way of living. This is the way of doing. So you are going to come up with new things. You are going to come up with new stuffs because you have listened to what your soul is telling you. And also, futhi, your soul will also make you to come across people and experiences, because you need to share. Angithi siyazi ukuthi collective is all about sharing. The theme of a collective is all about what? It's all about sharing. So as you are a listener, you are having this channel. As you are listening, you are going to have more and more information to share to people, to change their way of thinking. Because here the purpose is fulfilled through what? Through mind, lapana Gate 13, quarter of initiation. So we are going to share the experiences. We are going to share what you have come across, what you found out of people's experiences, what you found out of your experience. It's all about you listening. That is the prodigal. So i-prodigal-ke son yahamba yayodla imali yayigqumuza yayiqeda and yabuyela ekhaya, angithi? So ekugcineni it's all about you experiencing what you are experiencing and coming back and making sense of what you have been experiencing and putting a new order and line of march in life, yabo? So that's nje when it comes to ilokhungana. Sanibona Ntuthuko kaMabiyela. Sabona mfethu eklasini, siseklasini-ke namhlanje. Siyafunda nje la eklasini. Ngiyanibingelela nje ngani zakwethu. Ngiyanemukela futhi. Moving on-ke njengamanje. Moving on to another channel. You find the channel le ekuthiwa channel of 4130. This one channel 4130. Nansi lapha leya channel leya. Angithi seyifikile la ku 33 energy siqedile angithi. Sekumele ukuthi iqale iphike manje la ezansi. Nangu 41 nangu 30 lapha. Yabo. So lezi zinto zakhe i-channel of recognition. So i-pressure nje ngoba ukubona i-roots, it's a center of pressure to do something, and then siyazi lapha ukuthi kwi-solar plexus it is an emotional center. This one is an emotional center. So it is an emotional center. So uyabona ke uma sihlanganisa i-emotional sihlanganisa nani ne-pressure to do something, a physical pressure. Shuthi lana sithola someone who will embark on a new emotional experience. Angithi yabona ezizwe nje efuna efuna experience something new, totally new, yabo, doing something totally new. Angithi yabona. So i-energy ke uyithatha lapha na kumuntu isuka lapha ezansi iya lapha ngoba njoba isuka kwi-pressure nje kwi-pressure center iza la ku-emotional. Obvious lapha ku-emotional izoba into ozoyizwa esakhala, into esadesire ngoba phela u-41 is a gate of contraction and u-30 is the gate of a desire. So uzozizwa ukhala obviously uzwa ukuthi yazi it's like ngikhalela, yabo, ukuzithola ngithi yabo njengokuthi nje you desire ukwenza njani ukushintsha imoto uhambe ngenye imoto, yabo, uzizwa nje ukhala. Vele humanity ikanjalo vele. Thola ukuthi umuntu nje uvela azizwe nje ngoba we are emotional beings. Emotions is just the wave, yabo, it's just the waves aza kuwena, and then you interpret it as a craving ethile or information ethile uzizwe ngendlela ethile. Wena uzozizwa ukuthi yazi ngikhalela leya lokhu ngani kahle hle njoba ku abstract nje vele kusho kona ukuthi into uyayikhalela ile kude ukhalela i-emotional experience yakhona, uzwa a burning fire ukuthi yazi ngingazizwa kamnandi uma ngase ngizithole ngikulesimo lesi, yabo. So bese uzizwa ukhalela ukwenza into ewukuthi khona uzozithola kuleso simo leso. Njengokuthi nje ngizokwenza siphi isibonelo konje, angifuni ukwenza lesa sibonelo lesi, isibonelo engicishe ngasenza ngoba ngiyazi, yabo. Okay, ake ngenze sona futhi lesi sibonelo. U-gate 30 is also emotional. U-gate 30 u-emotional and kodwa futhi uza nalento yokuba sexual futhi as well. Uza nalento yokuba sexual ngoba it's a clinging fire of desires. Unalento yokuba sexual uthola ukuthi ukuze mangabe ukhalela ucansi nje ukuthi there is a burning fire yabo, of that emotional experience ukhala, yabo. Into eyama emotions injalo iba ilento ewumuzwa, a feeling ethile that expands and expands. So ke into enjalo kusuke uzoyifila la. Ngenza isibonelo ngani ngocansi ngoba that is a very very immense burning fire yokhala, yabo. So it's not limited to sexual intercourse. Nakwamanye nje ama-experience njengokuhalela ukudla okuthile, njengokuhalela ukuyohlala endaweni ethile, njengokuhalela ukuthenga imoto ethile, njengokuhalela i-pressure nje yokuhala. Isuka iba i-pressure la ezansi lento bese iyahamba iyakuphi iyaba lapha ku-emotional solar plexus bese iba i-pressure yokuhalela into ethile, ngithi yabona. Bese-ke uzithola-ke wenza into ethile khona uzo-experience lona. Njengokuthi nje uma ngihalela amakhekhe, ngihalela amakhekhe manje, then I get pressurized ngihambe ngiyowathenga amakhekhe, yabo. But uthola ukuthi umuntu-ke ono-gate 41 kuphela une-pressure nje yokwenza kodwa akanayo la emotional desire ekhona. Or omunye uno-gate 30 kodwa awuxhumene no-gate 41 ukuthi bakhe i-channel, so unomuzwa wokuhala kodwa akayithathi action ukuthi phela lo emotional desire yakhe ayisatisfy. Ugcina ngakho nje ukuthi uyahala kodwa mase kumele ukuthi a-acte, hayi vele nje angabi nayo i-energy noma i-pressure to do that, yabo. So it doesn't make i-channel. But uma wakhe i-channel-ke kanje, hayi-ke it's a recognition. So uzohala nje and then you take ilokhungana ilokhungana angithi nje lento futhi ifana nani, angithi uvela uzizwe nje uhalela ukulalela umculo othile ngoba i-collective circuits it also has to do with ini. Ngiyabonga kakhulu wentuthuko nge-gift, ngiyabonga kakhulu intuthuko kaMabiyela nge-gift. Ngiyabonga nawe Nana, ngiyabonga kakhulu sisi wami for the gift. Thank you good people for the love I am receiving from you. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Look nje how wonderful you are. Already we are sitting at 5,000 likes. We are so wonderful good people. You do amazing things together. So ithi-ke into-ke omunye ngahala nje kodwa angayithathi action ukuthi asatisfy lokuhala kwakhe lokho, yabo. So ngicabanga ukuthi I've articulated well enough lapha i-pressure le yokuba emotional desire leya uzofantasize ngento, fantasize ufeel ama-emotions akhona kufana uyicabanga une-double story, ufantasize usuhleli ney'ngane zakho nomkakho noma nomyeni wakho, ufantasize leyo emotional experience ukuthi it will be so nice, yabo. But at the same time you do have the pressure from gate 41 to start something to ezokulidela, angithi yabo. So also as well we are going to share how, ngoba phela i-collective circuit is about sharing. We are going to share to people how can they find themselves in satisfying their hunger for their desires. How to do that, yabo. Kwenza kanjani ngoba phela ekugcineni wena njengoba lento iyi-part of i-collective is about sharing to the humanity, then you are going to share as well ukuthi how to njengokuthi nje wena ngoba wena usuwaphuzile amanzi, lento ifana nokuthi wena buwomile wena ubuwomile waphuza amanzi, wathola indlela yokuwaphuza amanzi, so-right-ke komeni kwakho-ke sekumele ukuthi phela usherele abanye ukuthi uma ngabe uwomile, this is the way amanzi etholakala ngakhona. yabo, ukuze nabanye benze njani becime lokho koma lokho abanako, ngoba it's not about you, it's about you sharing to the collective. Wakucisha kanjani wena ukoma? Waphumelela kanjani wena? Wayithenga kanjani wena imoto? Wawakha kanjani wena umuzi? Wenza kanjani? It's all about what? Sharing. So let me move to another one. Oh, before I move to another one, as we all can see ukuthi laphaya nansiya into sino gates sino channel 36 35 kushuthi le channel lesuka la kwi-emotional solar plexus iya laphaya kwi manifestation, so sekwi final stage ke le. So it's a channel of transitoriness. So la sithola umuntu ozothi noma sithola i-energy ukuthi uthi, excuse me, sithola i-energy ukuthi ukade uhalela i-emotional experience ethile, uthi uma soyitholile uphinde futhi ubone ukuthi ayi sengihalela enye futhi emotional experience, yabo. Now I want to change from. That is why you find people mankind nje is always changing. Kade ehalela ukuhamba ngemoto, wayithola imoto. Kade ehalela lokho angithi from where ube ne desire from gate state yokuthi nje abe nemoto, usebe nayo imoto. Usecimile ukoma kuhalela imoto. But sekwenzakalani manje? 1 year or 2 years down the line, hayi sekumcikile lokho, usezizwe ehalela ukuba nehlobo oluthile manje lwemoto. Mhlambe behamba ngeTez manje usehalela ukuhamba ngani manje ngeBM. Ayi usekukunye ukuhala manje, useyashintsha manje. Angithi ugate 35 is the gate of what? Gate of change. While ugate 36 is the gate of what? Gate of crisis, yabo. So sithola umuntu useyashintsha, usehamba ngani? Usehamba ngeBM. Ngithi phela it's a channel of transitoriness. We are moving from one thing to the next, from one emotional experience to the next emotional experience. Usethengani? Usethenga iBM, usehamba ngeBM, yabo. Ukade uhalela iBM. Then from that's how vele we explore, that's how we expand, that's how we collect information, yabo. From moving, because akekho umuntu ongahlala entweni eyodwa. Uzizwa nje uhalela ukushintsha, ayi ukuze nje nokuhalela ukushintsha nje, ayi sengikhathelwe lokho, sengifuna lokho. So inayo le channel iza nayo leyo nto leyo. Sethenga iBM, mhlambe ayi ahambe ngale iBM 3 years, ayi usesekhathele imoto encane, usezizwe ehalela iveni manje, yabo. Usethenga iveni, sikhumbule ukuthi kunani lapha kuno crisis njalo, kuno crisis lapha. Angithi u36 lo, it's a what? It's a gate of crisis. Lo, yes, lo, it's a gate of change. So sikhumbule ukuthi if you change kungenza kuyithole ukwi-crisis, yabo. Ngobani? Leyo crisis izokwenza ukuthi futhi uqoqe information about life, yabo. As you move from one point to the next, obviously you are going to meet a crisis somewhere somehow, cause ngenzeka ukuthi usehalela iveni, ayithenga iveni, kanti le veni le indlela ayithe icondition ayithenga ngaphansi kwayo ayikho favorable, ayithole kwi-crisis. Noma ayithole kwi-crisis ukuthi bengingazi ukuthi iveni idla kanje upetrol, yabo. Yo sengigaxeleke manje ngizoyeni kanjani emsebenzini ngeveni, iveni idla upetrol, yabo. I was thinking ukuthi nje it's gonna be all well, ngihamba ngeveni ziyasha, ngithutha into zabantu manginesikhathi, and find out ukuthi it is not what yena icabangile. Ngithi yena uhalelile lokho, bekuhale, it's an emotional experience, it's an emotional craving, yabo. U36 ke uza nokuba i-amateur in experience, while look at 35 yena uza ne-experience. So ugate 35 usho ukuthi you have to change, because vele as humanity that's how we evolve and that's how we learn. You have to change only if you have stayed long enough from where you were, then you can change because you have grasped enough information. Hayi ukuthi usuke ngokhala, then ngokhala wamuvela to another emotional experience, because that is when you are still an infant, uya kwenye experience. Uma ngabe kukuthi awunawo umuzi and then uhalela uba nomuzi, kunezinto emele ukuthi uyifunde uyiqede ekungabini nawo umuzi first, uyibuke ezikuequiphayo ukuthi uma ngabe usunomuzi wazi ukuthi how to handle indaba yomuzi, because there are things that you still need to learn kubantu abanemizi. There are a lot of things that you still need to learn, yabo. But if you are going to put yourself into a situation like, no man, I'm owning it now, yes, you are going to have a crisis, because the crisis is a potential if you are changing from one thing to the next in experience, in an inexperiential way, ungenayo wisdom, yabo. So that's how it goes. Ukuthi mawuhlangene u36 no35, transitoriness, yes, you have to change from one thing to the next and expand and explore and ube adventurous and try new things, but you should have an experience rather than ukuthi uzizwe ukhala. Angithi yona ke le ekuphushela ekuthenini you can even change partners. You move from one partner to the next, you move from one part. Uza ngazuthi nje angathi ngingathesta lo, angathi ngingathesta lo, yabo. Why? It is coming with a desire. This thing of emotion is it is coming with a very immense sexual desire and sexual urges if you did not control it well. Angithi yabo, that is why we-humanity kulezi khathi zamanje siyathola abantu ukuthi bachitha ngendlela esezingeni eliphezulu ngenxa yokuthi nje lento yama-emotions phezulu, i-high. We are an emotional beings, and ukushintsha from one emotional experience to the next, it's part of us. But the thing is, you really have to sit down, feel it fully kulokho onako until i-situation ikushintshise yona i-situation, hayi ukuthi uzishintshele wena, yabo. Ikushintshise yona i-situation, hayi ukuthi uzishintshele wena. Siyamukela okusendiwe nje lana kanti ngi-live mina. Injalo-ke indaba, akufuneki ukuthi kube uwe uthini, hayi ngiyashintsha manje. I-situation iyona emele ukuthi ikushintshise ukuthi hayi shintsha-ke manje, yabo. Ngiyabona la before ngimuvele kwenye channel ukuthi yeah, thank you so much for the gift lapana Nana. Thank you so much. I am humble and honored. Thank you so much ngani yakwethu. So i-take away kule gate nje ukuthi if uhlangene kanje, yes, to change from one thing to the next and expand and explore, it is inevitable. It will always happen, but you really need to sit down and let the situation guide you to change, yabo. Bangaka abantu abadivorzayo, ama-divorce rates maningi. Yini emotional experience with how it will feel if I can get married, how it will feel if I can have a partner. That is an emotional experience, and leyo nto ke vele it is an illusion. Vele emotions are very illusory. It's an illusion, because if you get there, you find no man, I thought that the pastures are greener when I'm on the other side. But if I get there, it's like the pastures are greener on the other side. Thanks to God. So you were unmarried. You thought you will be fulfilled and happy if you are married. We are married. You feel that I think I was well and okay when I was single or when I was unmarried. Then you divorce. Yeah, so it's an illusion. This thing of emotions and emotional experience is an illusion. Yeah, you thought, hey, I'll be happy if I'm working. We are working now. You find that you are happy for a time being. Now you think of buying a car. I think I'll be more happier if I have a car. Now you are having a car. You are happy for a time being. I think I'll be more happier if I can have some children. You have some children. You are just happy for a time being, then done. I think I'm going to be happy if I can have another one. We are having another one. I think I'm going to be happy if I get married. You get married. You just being happy for a time being, then done. I think I'm gonna be happy if I can have a second wife. You just take a second wife, and you realize that I was very happy if I had only one wife. This thing of emotion is coming within the illusion. So that is why it is very crucial and important ukuthi ungadrive yini iwona. Just observe them, but try to deal with them. That is why we are doing these things of meditations. And we are meditating. Yeah. So I'm just getting a gift. Thank you so much, Ntuthuko. Thank you so much. Ake ngidlulele kwelinye igate. I mean kwenye channel. Channel engidlulela kuyona nansi ya. Uyayibona i-channel engidlulela kuyona. I-channel ebizwa ngokuthi i-channel of abstraction. Angithi ke i-energy seyifikile lapha ya. Sesiqala manje phezulu. La kuxhumana ini? Kuxhumana i-head center. Ixhumana i-head center, ixhumana what you call ne-ajna. I-head center ixhumana ne-ajna. So basically i-head center, it is the center that is coming with a what? A pressure to know. Yabo? Coming with a pressure to know head. But la i-ajna, this is the mind. It's all about what? Understanding. Yabo? Understanding, conceptualization, yeah, making sense of things. So njengoba ku gate 64 i-gate of confusion, no gate 47 oku gate of realization, abstraction, kusho ukuthi la you'll be confused trying to make sense ukuthi what did this thing mean? This past experience that you went through, we'll try to connect the dots and try to have the meaning. Also, what did this thing mean for me? And then that is when you are going to realize, oh, leanto ngangidlula kuyo, because now gate 47 and it is the gate of realization. Gate 64 is confusion. So you are going to realize, but the catch is you are not going to realize by pressuring yourself to make realizations and aha moments. Only if you surrender to the now and to the present and live life to its fullest. That is where you are going to get these epiphanies and downloads from the universe. Oh wow, that situation, this is what it meant. And Mina, this is how I should live. And this is what I should share to people. Because you cannot share to people if you don't know what the situation meant for you. So kubalulekile ke vele la kwi-channel of abstraction ukuthi ungazami ukuthi uchaze into ukuthi uchaze about the experience owaba nayo ukuthi iyayisho ukuthini for wena, noma uchaze nge-experience yomunye umuntu ukuthi isho ukuthini, while leyo nto uyicabanga nje, ungazange uyi-receive from the universe. Because the aha moments of meaning ukuthi oh wow, I realize what did this mean, lezo zinto ziyazifikela, akuwena oyiforsayo ukuthi ama-answers akuwena owaforsayo. In fact, the answers are not coming when we are trying to find them. You don't get answers by trying to search for them. You get answers when you stop searching. That is when you get them. It's a paradox that way. While you try to make sense and trying to understand and trying to we are doubting, you want to know, and all those things, you just putting yourself with pressure on your head to know things, that is when they will keep on running away. You won't know. You'll just perpetuating an illusion, thinking ukuthi lento isho ukuthi while it's not. But when you stop searching and just calming your mind and be in the present moment and live the life to its fullest, that is when those answers that you are seeking for will come. That is when, oh, okay. Uvele nje kuba ngazi ukuthi there is someone okutshelile ukuthi you know what, this is what it means for you. Then you are able to share. Because sometimes you just share without understanding what is it that you are sharing, and you are just sharing. So it is very, very crucial. Ngoba yabona nje kwesinye isikhathi you just connect the dots ukuthi kungani usibanibani ashona, yabo, uthola ukuthi it just makes sense now ukuthi usibanibani why ashona. What was the usuyabona ukuthi oh last time you didn't understand ukuthi kungani and it was very bad, and now usuya understand ukuthi why. Now you are not taking it bad ukuthi usibanibani akasekho. Now you start to understand a deeper meaning behind ukushona kwalowo muntu lo. Oh, this I was being prepared kanje ngokushona ka sibanibani. Oh, yabo, you just make sense ukuthi why this thing happened this way, yabo. Now you get it. Okay, yeah, now I get it. Now I can share kumuntu mhlambe you don't understand why it was very painful ukuthi ngishiwe mhlambe umfowethu noma ngishiwe udadewethu noma ngishiwe umama noma ubaba, yabo. It's very painful, but as time goes on and on and on and on, now you just come to realization okay, that is why le family member le iyahamba. For me, this is what it means for me. So you are going to be able that way ukuthi ukushare nokomunye ukuthi onsenkingeni efanayo ukuthi probably mfethu ukuhamba komuntu kanje mina kwenze ukuthi nokuthi, then trying to ukuthi ukwazi ukududuza lowo muntu nokumnikeza light ukuthi I understand ukuthi no man, ukuhamba komuntu it always have something negative, yet kodwa kukhona okupositive futhi ngakho lokho. Wena ungakubuka uwo usukudecide ukubuka ngaleli side ukubuka ngalo, yabo. Ayikho nje into eyakuyaba neside elilodwa, just like lingekho iphepha elineside elilodwa, ukuthi wena usukudecide ukubuka ngaleli side okubuke ngalo. Cabanga ukuthi ke njengamanje ngibheke ngasemaphethelweni, alama gates, alama channels. I'm about to reach the final stage of which ke njengamanje ngikhuluma nge-channel leya yokugcina, yabona. Lento yami mangiyidonsa ibuye ingafuni idonse. Nansi leya channel leyana ihlanganisa what is in your mind to manifest it's here. So basically gate 11, it's a gate of ideas, yet gate 56 is the gate of it's a gate of what? Stimulation. Yes. So lana ke sithola someone who will be able to communicate the ideas that are in his or her head, yabo, clearly, and stimulate the humanity with the ideas. So we find a good storyteller here. Gate 11 and 56. Angithi phela people want to be stimulated. So curiosity, you'll be curious which idea that comes into my mind or that I'm having in my mind that may be able to stimulate people. Yabo? So like la ungamthola umuntu a good storyteller, someone who can write in ama stories, nama drama, nama episode, nama TV soapies, trying to stimulate people through storytelling, or even oyilokhungana uyabona nje oyi-storyteller, the idea, taking the idea, because the ideas have to stimulate. The ideas have to stimulate. What is in your mind, sharing it needs to stimulate the other person. It needs to be interesting. Yabo? Umuntu akwazi ukuthi afunde kuyona leyo nto leyo that you are sharing. So lana ke sithola yona ke umuntu noma leya energy yokuthi kube khona isimo sama ideas that are here in the mind section, that are manifested here, so and they are even stimulating. Yabo? So curiosity ke ungena lapho ukuthi ke you'll be curious about how can you stimulate people and which ideas and stories that are stimulating. There are good people on social networks abangama good storytellers who are able to educate us and share ama insights to us through a very good storytelling. Uthothi abanye bakwazi nokuqamba amanga, baqamba amanga nje, amanga amnandi alalelekayo. Yabona nje, that are very stimulating, njengesiqophamlando nje. Isiqophamlando, I can tell ukuthi isiqophamanga mnandi isiqophamlando. Khona nje isiqophamlando singahlangana naso ku Facebook na ku YouTube futhi sikhona. Siyayixoxa lezi indaba lezi, is very stimulating. Yabo? Khona nje nobani oxoxa izitori futhi la, Tim Khwanaze, ubani uTim Khwanaze, ubaba laphana uTim Khwanaze, uThokozane Mkhwanazi, ngicabanga ukuthi wasempangeni, yeah, somewhere there, wasempangeni, naye unama stories. Yabo? Ngiyaye ngibuke mina ukuthi there are people ngampela who are able to share stories. Yabo? Baphiwe nanokuthi bakwazi ukuthi istory and the idea ela ekhanda bekwazi ukuthi beyixoxe, beyimanifeste physically ngamazwi abo, istimulate, ibe mnandi ukuyilalela. Ngithi yabona into enjalo ke kaliya channel leya eku channel bani, channel 1156. Ngithi yabona ngale kwalokho ke injalo ke indaba. Into ke esekhona nje iyona ke lokuthi ke asiyekile ke neze, we still do ama readings. Ngithi yabona, we still do ama readings, so for people ukuthi bezazi kangcono. Thank you so much and Ntuthuko, thank you so much to about for gifting Changes Akash. So siyaqhubeka ke siyawenza ama chat readings. Nansi iyona inamba le WhatsApp wayo to understand yourself even better. There's something I've discovered and it's so fascinating. Kodwa futhi I would like to have a real life and practical experience ngokuthi ngiyakubona laphana, nami ngiyabonga kakhulu weNtuthuko mfowethu. Ngingathanda ukwazi ngoba njengoba sinamakota la kwa Human Design awu4, kunamakota awu4 ke kwa Human Design, awu4 nje. Khona abantu abazalwa kwikota of initiation, ikota yokuqala, purpose fulfilled through mind. Khona abazalwa kwikota of bani, of civilization, purpose fulfilled through form. Khona abazalwa kwikota of duality, purpose fulfilled through bonding, duality. Khona abazalwa kwikota of mutation, purpose fulfilled through transformation. Khona abazalwa kanjalo la sawubona we-Pets Lukhele. Kona ufike sesiphuma impela. Kodwa-ke lo live-ke ey'ngane zakwethu uyatholakala vele, uzotholakala ku-YouTube, Changes Akasha on YouTube. Changes Akasha on YouTube. Angazi-ke ngane zakwethu noma abantu abafika laphana ku-YouTube liyenzeka yini iphutha lokuthi benga-subscribe. Angazi noma liyenzeka lelo phutha lelo. Kumahhala-ke wey'ngane zakwethu ukusubscribe laphaya ku-YouTube. Kumahhala, yayizwa loo nto. Ipurpose-ke behind ukusubscribe khona phela uzokwazi ukuthi unotifyeke uma ngabe ngifakile i-information. Uma ukuthi information you are very fascinated about it, yabo. Number 2, usiza nami, iyona ndlela ocontribute ngayo leyo. Usiza nami ukuthi ngi-reach le threshold le kabani how many people? 500 people subscribers. 500 subscribers to ukuthi ukwazi uqala ukumonetize i-account. So usiza nami-ke lapho. But I can see ukuthi there's ama-hours in terms of i-viewership ayanyuka wona makhulu impela. Kodwa yiza kancane ilokhu ngani i-subscription. Ngiyacela ukuthi nifike ni-subscribe laphaya kumahhala nje. So njengoba ngithi sinamakota awu-4 la ku-human design. La makota lawa, it's fascinating for me and I would like to know more ukuthi laba bantu ngampela impilo yabo bayizwa kanjani in relation to ikota umuntu azalwa kuyona. Yabona njengalana nje kenza isibonelo la ikota of